Alright, about 4 hours work and we finally got the lane open again. Way too much damn snow, and it's getting cold out. The wind's starting to pick up. I got Gore-Tex insulated boots on and my feet are starting to get cold out here. Temperatures dropped a bunch. I'm not sure. I get to the house, I'll check it out. Just piles of snow. Whew. Shit's hard on an old man. Big old piles of snow here and piles of snow here. Haven't been able to scrape anything. Got to use the front end loader just to bucket it up, bucket at a time, and push as much as I can. Got to be careful here. It's mighty damn slippery. I'll fall and hit my ass. This corner by the barn's always bad. Snow's piled up pretty tall. Still snowing pretty damn hard too. A little while ago the wind blew and I couldn't even see the house. It got so snow covered. It's like a whiteout. I don't look forward to that happening anymore. I just hope we don't lose power. I got a generator, but what a pain in the ass that'd be. Poor old Mugo pines took a beating. There ain't gonna be much left of them next year. I guess that's this year, isn't it? Just piles of snow. See the flag out there a little bit. We'll give a special shout out to Jimmy McCrum in Florida and Danny and Jenny in Florida and Aunt Larry out in Las Vegas. Glad you're not here. Woo-wee!